Hi, my name is Thomas Middledorp, and this is ColdLogic Development Log number 8. This week I've continued working on the engine for the tank, which I haven't really talked about yet. I walked past the beginnings of the engine in the first devlog, and I've shown the engine hoist in a previous devlog, which kind of implied the existence of an engine. But now I've actually started making it interactable. So you can now just start pulling pieces off of it. It is not complete in terms of all of the different parts that I'm hoping to add. For example, at the moment all of the pistons are kind of just stuck in there. You can't get them individually out, partly because the model is just a solid block and you can't see them. But all of the bits that you can see come off. And I also have this, nice red engine mount for it, which I've hooked up to the computer system to make it a bit easier to get at the underneath of the engine. So that all comes out as well. And then you can have bits of engine all over your floor, so that's fun. It's good if you can also put the engine back together. Which is made a little bit tricky by all of the parts just being placeholder blocks at the moment, but that's fine. The way that this is all made, it's super easy to just swap in a mesh to replace the placeholder once I have actual art for it. And this is all kind of extending and building on the tech that I'm using for the weapons. So like the same way that all the weapon parts attach together, this is sort of working on the same thing. I'm just sort of extending it so that you can interact with things that you aren't holding. So with the weapon stuff, initially you had to be holding both of the parts to actually combine them and uncombine them. So part of this has been partly making it so that you can combine with things that you're not holding, and also making it a bit more streamlined to set up so that I can create lots of different parts that are all interrelated without having to do too much custom stuff for each part. Yeah. And that hoist still trundles on over here if you tell it to, but I have not added to the claw or the whatever attachment to lift it into the tank yet, so that's as far as I got this week. So check back next week and see what progress I've made then. Thanks for watching. Bye.